Today we're going to make an elephant in oil over paper. Okay, the first part I'm going to make the first lines over making the structure of the animal. I'm using charcoal and the base is paper. So what I'm going to do is just filling up some shapes that remark the composition of my elephant. Then I'm going to start making the shading of these parts. I'm going to remark the parts which are darker in the composition. So I start making these elements here in the ears and the trunk and all the parts of the elephant. I'm going to follow the process of grisalla, so I'm going to start placing color over the marks I made with the charcoal. In this case I use red as the base of my color. I'm not trying to make a realistic drawing. Better, I'm going to experiment with different kind of colors. In this case I'm going to experiment this gamma of this hue of red. So I am starting repassing all the charcoal marks with the pencil, with the brush. Once I finished the red color, I'm going to start replacing some parts with golden color. I like this color a lot because it gives a different texture and a different visual mark to the elements I have in my composition. So I start making all these parts, replacing some shadings in the elephant. Get to this part, I realized that I didn't know how to continue because red color is a color that doesn't give the complete deepness I wanted to make the shading of this elephant. So I stopped painting here and taking a picture of what I have. I made some rehearsals in a Pixlr program. So I have chosen the shading with a blue color and a background with yellow. So having these decisions, I went the next day with this drawing again. So I started using this blue color for making all the deeper parts of my elephant here. I finished that part, I started with the yellow color. The idea of this was to make a background and balance the colors between the blue and the reds I have in the first composition. I realized when I painted inside of the elephant that colors inside make it look kind of transparent. So I decided to mix with the colors existing in the first part, and then give this volume to the yellow parts there. So I mixed all these parts in the elephant. This is a basic technique we can use, very simple to follow and finish our work. I like this composition because of the mix of colors, which are very simple, but also the brush strokes and all the things I could achieve in this painting are very interesting. The composition, even when it's in the middle of the paper, it gives a lot of air and it's so interesting. I hope you enjoy this.